I'm Sean Intagliata. This is my colleague Mickey Lubinsky. We're with a company called Cobalt Creed, founded in 2016. Cobalt Creed is a company that was formed to take specific HVAC, a system called the Unico System. You may see the air handler right behind Mickey there, and take it and deliver it directly to the customer. We wanted to have a direct channel since we're the manufacturer of the product so that our end user is getting the help, the support, and the direct communication to us, the manufacturer and the factory. We also take our labor both to the factory. Mickey has been in numerous factories around the country, and our experience in installing any HVAC, but specifically the Unico system, we've probably done it more than anyone in the country. The benefit of a relationship, for you to have a relationship with us at Cobalt Creed, is we are going to partner with you and be a one-stop shop. We are going to do design. We are going to create the exact material that's needed. We are going to provide logistics of that material to your factory, your job site, or warehouse. We are going to commission your warranty. We are going to be both in the factory teaching your employees, or even on site. If you're a site-built builder, we love going on site and working with teams on site. We're going to teach you how to commission, and we are going to show you, if you're a modular manufacturing company, if we do our work right, 95% of the Unico heating and cooling system will be performed by your employees in your factory, eliminating hours and hours of on-site labor, quickening the time your GC, your customer, can get that home under roof. We'd like to emphasize a part of that, which is the training and teaching aspect of Cobalt Creed. Mickey has been in numerous factories, he's been in numerous site builds, and he's been on sets of manufactured housing and on site built after it was under roof, and they actually wanted the Unico retrofitted. The training and teaching that is Cobalt Creed is a strength of ours, and we then have the ability to take the design we create, the engineering we create, and actually ensure with your employees, with your partners, that what we've designed will be installed the right way and provide the comfort and low energy bills that the Unico system is known for.